Standard 7 English An Alien Hand, Chapter 3 Desert. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. The popular or common belief is that desert is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. It is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. For those who have studied it, or the experts, they say a desert can be a beautiful place. It is the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. It may have mountains and hills. It may have an oasis, big or small. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of the desert where a spring or a well give plants and trees a better chance to grow. A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like the Ladakh desert. In desert, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. These are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. All living things need water in order to survive. The few plants and animals that live in desert have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. The camel, popularly known as the ship of the desert. The camel can drink a lot of water at one time. Camels can do without water for days together. The reason is they sweat very little. Camels can stand high body temperature. They don't need to sweat and can therefore retain the water they drink for long periods of time. Now, children, why do we sweat? We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. We sweat when it gets hot and this cools the body. How desert animals adapt themselves? Now let's answer this question. The smaller desert animals do not drink water. They burrow underground during the hot day and come out at night to eat. Some of them eat other animals and get the water they need from the moisture in the meat. Others eat plants and seeds and get the water they need from the plant juices. Now, how desert plants adapt themselves? Desert plants also adapt themselves. Cactus plants store water in their thick stems. The roots lie close to the surface of the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains that occasionally fall. The major feature of all deserts is, of course, variations of temperature. In humid climates, the moisture in the air acts like a blanket and protects the earth's surface from hot rays of the sun. But do you know, children, there is absence of this blanket in desert, and this causes the desert to heat up rapidly during the day and to cool off rapidly at night. Deserts are an important part of nature's great plan. They are there like the dense forest and deep oceans. Just because they are hot and dry, one should not look upon them as useless parts of the earth. Children, this is all in the chapter. I hope you understood it. Thank you.